scare her off if I'm not careful. Crispin's my ticket into the auction and my only shot at getting close to Iraq. He needs to disappear. That place is too exposed. Better go in quietly.
Sure does purr, doesn't it? Exotic and fast. Mr. Quinn didn't know which color you'd like, so, you can take whichever.
That one, right? Get it ready for my return.
He must have a schedule or something on his phone. Can't let him get away.
Heard stories about this. Fuck. Sick ones. Money. So why you gonna associate with him?
You ask me, he's just getting a foot in the door. Lucky's probably expanding.
I'm not taking a bullet for him. That's for sure.
He must have a schedule or something on his phone. Can't let him get away.
Hey! Do your job. Keep him away.
Mr. Crispin, I'm not gonna pussyfoot around you like my associates do. I've been tasked with handling you, so I know all about your hobbies. You wanna break the girls? That's your business once you're out of the country, but you will not put Mr. Quinn at risk while you're in Chicago. We've lined up a gift for you at the Infinite 92. Ask for the Poppy Special. That's where you'll find your invite to the auction.
Looks like Crispin was on his way to pick up something called the Poppy Special. It's at a club called Infinite 92.
Infinite 92. No official listings. I see mention of it in some thread here. Oh, looks like it's a gentleman's fetish club. Underground, of course.
So the Poppy Special is a woman.
That fits the profile Quinn had on Crispin. I doubt Poppy would have survived the meeting. What kind of auction is this?
I think we both know the answer to that. I'm going to the club now. Crispin's invite is there. monstered up for the monster ball. Okay, just keep your head, say as little as possible. Crispin's as fucked up as they say, I'm gonna draw attention. Just find the auction invite and get out. The Poppy Special.
Very good, Mr. Crispin. A signature dish prepared especially for you. We'll hang on to any weapons. Mr. Crispin, right this way, please. What happened to the guards assigned to you, sir?
They couldn't keep up.
Mr. Quinn wanted to ensure you're comfortable. On his behalf, we offer you a special gift. Please, enjoy as much as you like.
So you're my special gift, are you? What's your name? Poppy?
I know about you. What you do to girls.
No, it's not. It's okay. I'm done.
Mr. Crispin, is everything to your liking?
You interrupt me again and you're next. I'm not gonna hurt you. Just come with me. I can help you.
No. They'll find me. They said you were a monster. You're not Crispin, are you?
My name is Pearce.
So much other interesting stuff around there.
My gun.
We hope you'll come back again.
I need a favor. I gotta get Poppy out of this place. Call Infinite 92, pretend you're Crispin's assistant. Tell them I insist that Poppy be delivered to me at the auction.
Yes, okay. She'll be there. I'll make sure of it. Maybe Crispin had to die, but at least we can save this girl. That's something, right?
I'm not sure we can add things up so cleanly, but we're gonna get her out.
So kick a little something
One
like...
casual day when I was right from the jump. I was in the feeling the brother was tired, feeling assorted of rigor mortis from the millers and the 40s. Sitting in the shorties at older than that. I'm nice, take a shower, get right. Lunch tight, hit the road, jam. So then I won't run home, just how I was. No, I don't slow wrong, yo. It's here right there. Rotten, listening to old tapes. Music, give me when the song play. Big elevator, oh my, bitch, you can hear it. It's a max, yeah. I know we're here together. I was inspired to data that chose to listen, the data that chose to live it together. Tradition, it's a submission like prison is locked down. Stuck in the spot, just keep your hands to the sky. The kingdom always ain't high. The only guarantee numbers at your time.
But
the first time ever, the Windy City has been voted the most high-tech city in America. Thanks to Mayor Rushmore's CTOS initiative, Chicago now boasts the most efficient and technologically advanced city in all the US of A.
Quinn's auction. Rack's somewhere inside. Security's gonna be tight. It won't be long before someone reports my mess at the car dealers. Just find a rack, scan his dog tags, make a clean getaway. Sounds easy enough. Something tells me it's not gonna go down that way.